The toilet compartment is conveniently located just behind the operator's compartment cab door on the way to the next area we will discuss, the auxiliary compartment. This area is an electrical compartment divided into 4 control areas. Warning: high voltage is present in this section of the auxiliary compartment when the locomotive is under load, when head-end power is provided, when battery charging is taking place, and when the radiator fan or equipment blowers are operating. The door interlock switch, DIS, is used for safety protection from high voltage in the auxiliary compartment. The door interlock switch opens with the door, dropping out the control contactors. The head-end power alternator, auxiliary alternator, and traction alternator unload. All high-voltage electrical power above 74 volts is removed. When entering this compartment, you should follow these additional safety precautions. Open the auxiliary alternator cutout switch BFCO on the control switch panel in CA1 before entering the compartment, and make certain that HEP is shut down on all of the units in the consist, as well as from a wayside source. Control Area 2 is on the right-hand wall past the rear of the toilet compartment. This panel contains cranking components, the computer power supply, and a variety of modules and relays. Control Area 3, directly across from the electrical compartment door, contains many of the high voltage and high current devices. The propulsion contactors include the power contactors P1 through P4 that connect the traction motor circuits, and the braking contactor that configures the traction motor fields for dynamic braking. The brake motor isolation switch, BS, connects the traction motors to the braking grids during dynamic braking and self-load. It also isolates the grids during motoring. The HEP lead isolate switch, LIS, removes power from the front-end HEP receptacles. The HEP transfer switch, HETS, connects either the head-end alternator or the traction alternator as a source of head-end power. The reverser, REV, changes the direction in which the traction motors turn, allowing the locomotive to change direction. Control Area 4 is on the left-hand wall as you enter the compartment. It contains the regulating panels. These panels take in 3-phase AC power and convert it to DC for use in the control systems. These panels are interchangeable. The alternator blower thermal overload device, ABOL, monitors the blower current and opens the circuit in the event of an overcurrent condition. The ABOL is equipped with a reset. The equipment blower panel, EBP, and the radiator fan panel, RFP, send out altered 3-phase current to control motor speed. The 2 panels are interchangeable. Control Area 5 is on the right-hand wall as you enter the compartment.